Hey, how you doing? Mike, Innovative Door. We're going to show you a quick video here today. This is the Clopay CGU 11 with REC 13 windows. It is a urethane door. It is 2 inches thick. We have upgraded all the hardware on it. We've upgraded the springs. We are now trimming it out with the seals, so we're doing that. I'll show you some of the stuff on the inside. There's the nice bevel from Clopay, which I love. Inside, we upgrade the wheels to 13 ball zinc now, not even our 13 ball seal. We got a new roller on the market, better, stronger. So we use that, especially on a glass panel. And then we always put on 2 of the same springs. So those are 35,000 cycle plus springs we put on there. The windows are insulated. Got that blackness that you see there in between the frames. Lots of window here on this 24-inch panel, which I like, which is nice. It's nice and going to be nice and bright in here. And insulated window, 14-gauge hardware. And then we rehook the Sears opener with the 24-inch Sears, or the 24-inch opener bracket. That's the door. 18 plus R value. We're finished trimming it out. For all your door needs, call Innovative Garage Door, 630-271-9343. Visit us online at www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook, we'll like you. Smash the subscribe button and the like button, and thank you very much for watching. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching our Clopay CGU 11S or REC 13 window video.